is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling on the street. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, who loves to call. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for goat, eating green leaves. H is for hat, that sits on sleeves. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy bun. J is for juice, sweet and tummy bun. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, with a loud cry. M is for monkey, jumping on a tree. N is for nest, where birds live free. O is for orange, round and bright Nola. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging with might. Then U is for umbrella, keeping off the rain. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for zone of foam, playing happily. Y is for yak, strong and furry. Z is for zebra, stripy